In order to find cycle tracking on Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, what you can do is, for example, you can go to the health app, this one over here, and then if you scroll down, you should be able to find cycle tracking. So let's select this option. First, we need to set up cycle tracking on our phone first, so we can press OK, and then we need to open the Samsung Health app on our phone. So on the app, what you need to do is you need to find the cycle tracking option. You will need to consent to the processing of health data, and then over here you can select when was your last period, tap start and end dates on the calendar. So let's say we can choose these days over here like this. Then we can proceed. How long is your typical cycle? So you can adjust the amount of dates if you want to, and then press done. Wait a couple of seconds, and there we go. So as you can see on our watch, we have our period when we can expect it, at least, and we can also enter periods once it's time. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.